Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, where we teach people how to make money online and offline. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an opportunity you can take advantage of and you can make money online without any initial investment. It is called print on demand. You know, the t-shirt printing business, you need equipment and you need a lot of things, maybe money to invest and to begin the business. But there are platforms online where you can easily register for free, create your free online store, and then you just design your artwork and then you upload it, and then it will be put on the products that the company produces, and then it will be placed in your personal online store on the platform of that company. And then if anybody places an order, it is called print on demand, because they don't print down for now be looking for customers. They just design and put the designs there. Anybody who is interested and makes a purchase, the company will produce and ship to them, and then you get a percentage of the price of the product. It's as simple as that. The only work you do is to create a design and upload it, and then it will be placed on the items you select it to be placed on. And then maybe the only work you need to do again is to promote your shop or your store, online store, and you can do that on social media, etc., without involving any amount of money. If you want to use money to advertise, you can do that depending on what you want to do. So I want to introduce you to that business. I'll be doing a number of videos and showing you the details. There are many such online stores or online platforms that do print on demand. I'll be introducing you to a number of them. And then if somebody will be saying, well, I'm not a graphic designer, I don't know how to create designs, I will introduce you to another website where you can create designs and it will shock you for free again. If you want to go for the pro version and pay and get advanced designs, you can do that. But even with a free account, you can still start. So I want to introduce you to this business. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification so that when we publish a video, you will be alerted. So get on board with me. The first platform or the website I'm going to introduce you to is called Redbubble. Redbubble. There are many of them. Like I said, I'll be doing subsequent videos. I'll introduce you to a number of them. We'll create an account from scratch and then we'll begin. Another one is called Printful, and then there are many of them. But today we want to look at Redbubble. All right, so this is the Redbubble website, and then you can see it there, Redbubble, and then you can sell your art. So you create your art and then you sell your art. They'll put it on any item and then you can make money. So these are the kind of items: clothing, any kind of clothing. You see the stickers, and then you have masks, and then you have phone cases, you have wall art. You enter rooms and you see designs that are put, canvas art and framed art pieces, etc. And then home living, all these items, cloth, bath mats, aprons, acrylic blocks are all printable. Kids and babies clothing, and then accessories, backpacks, and all those kind of things. You can put your artwork on it, stationery like books, notepads, etc., gift items, etc. And so let's scroll down and see. So this is how it will be like. So this is a t-shirt. So you just create a design like this and upload it, and then it will be placed on a t-shirt or any of the items you select. So water bottles like this, and throw pillows like this. The artwork will be put on them, posters, t-shirts, and all this stuff. These are nose masks, these are phone case. So designs will be placed on them, and then it will be placed on your online shop. So you can see examples there. These are designs, so these are featured products, and then you can see the prices. And then so once somebody places a demand and then they purchase, the owner of this, like Eric McAchin, so he will get a percentage of this amount. For no work done, you are not going to print, you are not going to produce, you are not going to ship, you are not going to do anything. You just create your design and then upload it, and then you will be in business. All you have to do is be promoting your shop, your online store, and then your products. And then as people get interested, depending on your design and then what they see, and then they can purchase and you will make money. I believe it's a good place to start business from without one dime coming out of your pocket. So mugs, drinking mugs like this, you can design them, etc. So we want to look at an example. So we want to log in. So log in, and then we go to my account, and then I'll show you a personal example. So Alpha X Store, that's the name of my store, and then the password is there, and then we log in. So we get to the back office, and then we see how it works, and then we can move on. All right, so we are in there, we've logged in, and so you can see my picture there. So that's my account, and these are some of the designs there. So just go to here and then click on the account, and then we want to go to either the dashboard or we want to go to the shop. So let's go to the shop. You can say add a new work. If you want to add a new work, a new art design, then you can go here. So but we want to go to the shop, view shop. So we click on view shop, so you can see the name of the shop, Alpha X Store. Okay, so the internet is quite poor this morning, so you can see it opening slowly. So that's the banner of the store. So you can see there that that's my store, Alpha X Store. Okay, so I have 10 designs. So you can see the designs are put on caps there, and then if you click on any of them, it will open the design fully, and then you will see it. So let's say I open this. So you can see the curves, the design is put on the curves, the power of love cap, the design is put on it, and then it is put on other items as well. So you can see that it can be put on a t-shirt, a classic t-shirt, it is put on a sticker, it is put on a pullover hoodie, it is put on a phone case, etc. And so you can see the prices of each of them. If anybody makes a purchase of any of them, this is the selling price, and then you will get a percentage out of this amount. You don't need to buy these products and produce, and you don't need to do any shipment. You just need to create your artwork, and then you upload it, and then you are good to go, like that. So that's how it works. And then you can go to the clothing, and then let's say all clothing. And so your design will be placed on any item. You have the privilege, the right, you have the freedom to choose what you want your product to be, where you want your art piece to be put on. So you can see typical designs there like that, even socks. Okay, so you can see skirts, leggings, tanks, dresses, etc. All of them are there. So I'll go back to the dashboard. And so you see typical examples of all the things you can do there. Okay, so this is a dashboard, and these are just 3 steps you need to do. Create your product, set up your shop, and get paid. And so these are just the requirements you need to fulfill. So you add your design, so you start from here. Once you have created your account, just create add new work, and then it will create a product for you. You load your image or your artwork, and then you now set up your avatar, you set up your cover image, and then you set up your social links, and then your bio. So you see that all these things have been done. Just left your bio to add, confirm your email, add your name and address, and then add a payment detail, how you will be paid if you make a sale on your store. All right, so basically that is it, and then you can make money out of that business. Okay, so I'll go back to my store again, and then so that's how your store is going to be like. The products will be listed in there, all the products will be listed in there, and then you will see all your stuff. Okay, so I go back to clothing once again, and then you can see. You can just pick one of your items and then you can see everything. So these are all my designs. You can see on clothing there. Okay. So I have 10 artworks so far, 10 designs. So you can see them on clothing there like that. So whatever you produce and whatever you send there, it will be placed on that for you. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and then you can start promoting your online store, and then hopefully you can make a sale. So thanks for watching. I'll expect you in the next video, and then I'll show you more details. I'll show you how to create a product, and then how to upload it, and then how to put it on whatever device or product you want it to be put. And then later on, I'll do another video. I'll introduce to Printful. I'll show you how you can create an account, and then you can start business. You don't need a dime from your pocket. You don't need initial capital to start this print on demand business. All you need is an idea, and then that one too, I'll show you how you can get free ideas and a platform or a website where you can create designs, and then you download them, and then you can upload them here, and then you can start making money. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and then turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next video.